marching to the jungle beat in time.
Stomp and clap, the animals play, parading through in a happy way. Flap, jump, wiggle and sway, join the animal parade today. Next comes the elephant, heavy and slow, thumping the ground wherever she goes, swinging her trunk and flapping her ears.
She's the drummer with beats we hear. Bunny hops in with a bouncy spring,
Wiggles her nose and starts to sing. Boing, 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 she jumps so high,
touching the clouds in the bright blue sky.
Parrot is squawking, flying up high, colors like rainbows fill the sky. Squawk, squawk, she sings from the trees, dancing with the gentle breeze.
Monkey swings from tree to tree,
laughing out loud so playfully.
he claps his hands and spins around,
Doing tricks without a sound. The stomp and clap, the animals play, parading through in a happy way. Flap, jump, wiggle and sway, join the animal parade today.